my name is Tyler and I go to UCLA. I love science because it can help us explain everyday experiences. For example, we know that the water on Earth is constantly being recycled. Think of the water cycle as nature's natural recycling system. It is responsible for rain, the droplets of water that you see on grass every morning, and so much more. Today, we're going to do an experiment by making our own at-home mini water cycle. So here I have a cup and a bowl with some water I've slightly warmed. I will cover the bowl with some cling film and place it in a sunny place. All of the water is being recycled over and over again through the water cycle. The water from our oceans, lakes, and rivers get heated up by the sun, turning into liquid vapor and evaporating or rising into the sky. During condensation, the water vapor turns into small droplets of liquid water, forming clouds. And during precipitation, the water falls onto the earth in the form of rain or snow. Here I am setting my bowl outside in a sunny spot. We'll check back in a little bit to see what happens to the water in the bowl. Notice how there are water droplets forming on the cling wrap. Watch these get big enough and fall into the mug. Look, the water cycle is always repeating itself and is started by sunlight. It is extremely important that water is recycled because we have a limited supply. This model shows how the water cycle not only makes sure water is available to us, but also regulates our weather patterns. Without it, Earth wouldn't look like it does today. Now let's see the water cycle in action. Because we used warm water and placed the bowl in a sunny spot, we will start to see the water rise to the top, which is evaporation. We can tell this is happening because the water level lowers and water drops collect on the plastic wrap. As the water evaporates, the water vapor comes together at the top, forming white patches at the ceiling of the wrap that should look like little clouds. Once many water droplets collect at the top, and it becomes too much or too heavy, they will slide back down as precipitation. This models the flow stage, where water is brought back to its original start, the sea. If the water is still warm or in direct sunlight, we can observe this cycle happen over and over again. Okay, now we are going to clean up. Throw away the cling wrap and dump the water down the drain. Super easy. I hope you all had fun learning about the water cycle. The experiment is super easy and safe to make at home, so I highly recommend that you try it sometime. Thank you for watching and see you next week.